In this training video, we will demonstrate how to do a facial. The following products will be used: glass bowl, makeup remover, cotton buds, cleanser, exfoliator, mask, toner, sunblock, and eye cream. Now let's start with the practical. Take 2 cotton wools and apply makeup remover onto them. Use them to wipe off the makeup from both eyes. Take another cotton wool and wipe the lips to remove the lipstick. Use wet cotton buds to remove any leftover mascara that might still be on the eyes. Take a cleanser appropriate to the skin type you or your client has and apply a generous amount on the palm of your hand. Wipe both hands together so that the cleanser can spread evenly over your hands. Begin by applying the cleanser on the chin and work in circles. Take your sponges and remove the cleanser from the face. Take the exfoliator and squeeze a generous amount onto your hands. This is applied in the same manner as your cleanser. This step is part of the weekly skincare routine. Wet your sponges and remove the exfoliator from the face. Take your mask, one that is best for the skin type, and apply it with a mask brush or with clean hands. Clay masks should not be applied over the eye or mouth area, whereas mud masks can be applied over them. This is also part of the weekly skincare routine. Leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, according to the type of mask you are using. Wet your facial sponges and begin to remove the mask from the chin area and work upwards. Repeat this step until the mask is removed. Take your toner and apply a generous amount onto 2 round cotton wools. Use both hands to apply the toner all over the face. Although the toner should be left on, the excess can be removed with a tissue. Select a sunblock that suits the skin and apply it over the face. Use this diligently whenever you need to go out. Squeeze a small amount of eye cream onto both your ring fingers. Wipe both fingers over each other just to spread the eye cream. Push this on around the eyes so that you do not stretch the skin in this delicate area. The last step to your facial routine is moisturizer. Take your moisturizer and squeeze out a small amount. Finally, rub your hands together and gently press the moisturizer all over the face. This was the How to Do a Facial practical video. Thank you for watching.